So, what you need to do is get you some stew meat. Walmart sells it, or you can get you can get like a roast or something, chop it up, which, you know, whatever, a thick steak, something like that. I just went to Walmart and got the stew meat that people put like in beef stew and stuff like that. I got about 3 pounds worth. You do not have to get that much. You could probably just do a pound. I'm going to saute it and cook the meat with a little bit of olive oil in the pan until it's done. And then when it's done, we'll sprinkle this on it. It is savory steakhouse seasoning. Now, I got this at Walmart as well. You do not have to get that type. Just try to find some kind of steakhouse seasoning on the spice aisle of the grocery store. Or you can probably just make up your own. But I don't typically put mine on there until I'm done cooking it, because I don't want it cooking while it's in here and burning or anything like that. So I like doing it after. It's more robust and more spicy after the fact than if you cook it with it on it. Okay, so while that's cooking, you need to steam 2 bags of broccoli, or as much as you want. And so we did 2 12-ounce bags, I think it was. You could do 2 16-ounce bags. I don't even think they sell it like that, but just enough for like a couple of pounds worth of broccoli. And I did do the frozen because I'm not sure. The fresh probably had a little too much of a bite to it, if that makes any sense. It's not going to get soft enough like I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm making this like beef and broccoli stir fry thing, and I'm going to put it over rice. And so when this comes out, when this meat gets done, I'm going to drain it, and then I'm going to just kind of toss it in a bowl with the savory steakhouse season very generously. And then we'll mix the broccoli with it, and then we're going to put it over a bed of rice, and then there's going to be a yum yum sauce that goes with it. So we got to make the yum yum sauce. Okay, so let me get that set up and ready. Okay, so it's time to make the yum yum sauce. Base is going to be mayonnaise, and this is going to make more than what you need, so you can store the rest covered in the fridge. So you're going to need 1.5 cups. Then you need 1/4 cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of Sriracha. Also need a tablespoon of your favorite sweetener. It can be artificial, or you could probably put sugar in it, but you probably need to put powdered sugar because it's going to be too grainy if you don't. 1/2 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. You can use apple cider. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And 1 1/4 teaspoons of garlic powder. And 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so I've got my broccoli steamed, so I'm going to put it in a big bowl. And you can do more meat, less meat, or more vegetable, less vegetable, or you can just change the vegetable altogether. But this is supposed to be beef and broccoli, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, now, I've already got my meat cooked and drained, so I'll add it to this. And then we're going to add the seasoning. You know, you can get your favorite, or you can use this one that I use. I use a lot of Weber brand seasoning mixtures, and I don't necessarily grill, you know, the meat that gets the seasoning. I use it, you know. So don't ever think that just because it's a grill rub or whatever that you can't cook with it in the kitchen. You know, why would I have to spend $5 or $6 for that seasoning? I'm never going to use it except for when we grill. We don't grill that much. No, you can use it. It's very versatile. You can use it anytime, anywhere. So don't ever think that. And they're usually really good. Now I'm being generous with this. You don't have to be. Alright, that's all you have to do. Taste a piece of it. See if you need some salt. You know, something like that. These usually have enough stuff in them. You know, salt and pepper type things, but it may not be your taste. Okay, I'll meet you back here when the rice gets done and we'll assemble the plates. Okay, so rice is done, and we'll plate this up and show you how I do it. You don't have to do it this way. So, try to get some more green in there. Like I said, you can add more vegetables, or it doesn't even have to be. It doesn't even have to be broccoli. You can find something else. Okay. And then here is that sauce that we made. You just drizzle it on there. You can put as much as you want to on there. And the sauce can go into the fridge covered, and I think it'll keep for like a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. Okay, that's it. Alright, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.